Binance verification failed. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can solve if your Binance verification failed, so make sure to stick with me till the end. Now if your Binance verification failed, personally I tried it 2 times and only it got verified. The first reason where it failed was because I added a PNG file. Instead of clicking a photo, I scanned the document and then sent it as a screenshot, right? So that's not how it works. You have to send a real photo of your citizenship or your national ID or whatever document you're providing, and your face verification should also match. If you look like a different person on the photo of the ID versus now, that could be the other reason it could be failing. And also because you have to remove his glasses. If you're wearing glasses, you have to remove any of the other object around your face, make it completely clean, and then just try to verify it and make sure that the document are also working and they're valid and not in other languages. It should only be on English language, and handwritten documents are not accepted. So that's the thing you want to keep in mind. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.